Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So welcome back to another tutorial video on how to change the decimal places for your final output answer in Scratch project. Okay, last time I've shown you the steps to do it. Okay, that is for version 1. So some of you might find it a bit tricky to do it because you need to combine everything together inside the join block and also inside the say block. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you another version. This is version 2. Okay, it is much more simpler, but it has longer way. So now let's take a look at the steps first. Okay, so these are the steps. So you have from step 1 until step 10. Compared to the version 1, you only have until step 6. So this is a longer version, so your script's going to be longer than the version 1. Okay, now let's get right to it for the first step. Okay, so it says here for the first step, you need to add on the data scripts. Okay, set total to 0. Okay, for this part, let's just try and do it this part first. Okay, so you take this out into your script section. Okay, into your project section, and now you go to step 2. It says there you need to add on the operator multiplication. Okay, so combine the block multiplication into the set total block. Once you combined it, you need to make sure you take the total, okay, the variable total, and then you multiply it by, for example, these questions require you to change it to 2 decimal places, so you need to multiply it by 100. Okay, same. If you need to change it to 3 decimal places, then you need to multiply it by 1,000. Okay, so now we are done until step 2 and also step 3. Now let's go to step number 4. Step number 4, you need to add on another block of set total. Okay, so done with step 4, let's proceed to step 5. Step 5 says you need to add on the round block, okay, to your set total block. Now what you need to put inside the round block is the variable, okay, the name of the variable that you're going to change the decimal places. Okay, so these until here part here is step 5. Now proceed to step 6. So it says to add on another block of set total. Okay, so in this version you need to have 3 block of set variable that you need to change the decimal places. Okay, so for the final set total block, you need to choose the operator division block. Okay, so combine them with the final set total block. Okay, then choose the variable that you're going to change the decimal places and divide them to 100. Okay, so remember, if it's 2 decimal places, it's 100 because it has 2 zeros. If it's 3 decimal places, it's 3 zeros, so it's 1000, and so on. Okay, so now you are done with this part. Let's go to step number 8. Step number 8 says you need to put the say hello. Okay, put them, and then choose the operator scripts for join hello world. Okay, so these are the same step as the version 1. Okay, so lastly we want to output, so you need to choose the say part. Okay, so say what? You need to just put the variable that we have counted just now above and put them together. Now join them for the final step. Okay, so you no longer need to use this say for the version 1. Okay, now finally you combine them all together. So if you run your program, let's say here, how many adults? 2. How many children? 3. Okay, so you will have your answer in 2 decimal places. So you can change this part over here to the words. Let's see, total paid is RM There you go. And then if you run them back, you will get this part here, and the total, the value are now changed. Okay, it's now changed to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this is version 2. I hope you guys are cleared with differences between version 1 and version 2. So please choose wisely which version do you feel better to choose to use. And I hope you do well in your practical test. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.